Good morning. It's Keith back with a video for Life Hacks for Seniors with Keith. And today we're going to cover 3 different exercises that help you improve leg strength and balance. I looked up the statistics before starting this video, and 1 in 4 Americans over 60 will fall and break a hip, break a wrist, have maybe a concussion, break a shoulder, collarbone. A lot of accidents can come from poor balance and poor leg strength. And this is designed, these 3 exercises I'm going to cover today are designed to help you with your leg strength, which then obviously improves balance. And the first one is a favorite among skiers, which is a wall sit. And basically, you just have to back up against a wall. You put all of your weight into your heels, feet shoulder width apart, and you sink down. Now, you're supposed to go to where your knees and your shins are 90-degree angle. I can go to about right here and feel comfortable, which isn't quite 90 degrees. But I'll shoot it from the side here in a second, and you can see how low I go. But they're already starting to burn on me, and it hasn't even been a minute. I skied hard 2 days ago. They're still tired. But this will definitely improve your balance and definitely improve your leg strength. But stop wherever it's comfortable for you. If you feel comfortable here or a little further down. And each time you do it, sink a little lower and stay a little longer. Do 2 or 3 sets of these, and you're really going to improve your leg strength. So let's look at it from the side. Okay, here's the side angle. And as you can see, my knees are about 90 degrees, not quite. Suck your tummy in and hold it as long as you can. Push your weight into your heels, and you're going to build strength. So here's exercise number 2, and it's something I introduced you to a few days ago in my videos, which is a power vibration plate. These things are amazing, and they give you both a recovery exercise, like I used after skiing a couple days ago. I get up on it and watch TV while I'm on it, and it takes all the lactic acid through the lymphatic system and flushes it out. The other part that I like about getting ready for exercising and to take care of my balance is the plate itself, because it will strengthen your calves, the ligaments and everything around your knees, your hips, and your thighs and your hips. So let's get on it and we'll play with it for a minute. A lot of people like to hold on to a chair when they're doing this just to keep their balance in check. And while I'm thinking about it, don't do any of these exercises without consulting your physician first. That's always really paramount. So let's turn it on and let's see how it goes. Now, I know you can't see much. You can probably see me wiggling in the middle here. But we can do this by squatting down, keeping your hands where they will give you some support. The vibration plate is really kicking up to a higher vibration now. I turn oftentimes from side to side, and this helps my balance as well. Looking at what I need to do to keep my eyes watching what I'm doing when I'm walking. You can do a lot of bends. You can squat and hold it like the wall sit that I did just a few minutes ago. This speeds up and it slows down, as you can see. And that in and of itself makes you change your balance. You can hold on to the chair if you need to, or just stand here and do your exercises. And you can keep moving while you're doing it. All of this builds confidence and strength. Good for balance. So let's move on to number 3, which is going to be the Bosu ball. So here's the third exercise, which is a Bosu ball, which is basically it's a half ball. Underneath is a black surface that's flat, and it will slide. You have to be careful with it. Some people put a yoga mat underneath it to keep it from moving, which is a good idea. But you can use the Bosu for a lot of different kinds of exercises that will help for both strength and balance. So let's just step up on it with both hands, using the chair to balance. And just get the feel of how your ankles want to stabilize you. The ankles are what are really important for balance. And just standing here makes them work. And that's a good thing to do, just learning how to use the Bosu. You can also then use it for lunges, where you would step forward do a lunge, bending at the knee just like you would with a regular lunge. And then you can do it from the side. Same thing, step up and step down. Step up and step down. You can do squats on it as well. Step up, find a comfortable spot for both feet, hold onto your chair, and then squat down. When you get comfortable with this, you can do it without using the chair. And you'll feel your ankles really working to keep your balance. Because that's what we're trying to accomplish here, is to get the balance and strength back. I'm going to post in the description below where you can buy one of these, and 2 or 3 videos that I use that have exercises in them from a couple of other instructors that are introducing their following to a Bosu. Many people have never seen one or used one before, but they're really an excellent tool. Well, I hope you've enjoyed these 3 different exercises to build strength and balance. Look for more videos on this kind of thing coming up in the near future. Life Hacks for Seniors with Keith. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time.